Hi guys, welcome back to Adam's Garage 101. Alright, that's enough of that. So today, I'm going to show you how to clean the dryer vents in the dryer, because my dryer hasn't been working. And I tried the vacuum and that didn't cut the mustard, so I got this kit here at Lowe's. It was about $12, and I cleaned it yesterday, but I will show you how to clean it, and I'll catch you guys in a few minutes. I gotta get my cameraman here. There we go. Okay, and I'm back, guys. So I got this. Back up a little bit so you can get the whole thing. So I got this here. It's hooked to that, and what I usually do is I pull this out like that, stick it here. So. All that crap. Crap out. And then I usually go right up here. Stick that right up there. Like that. And it'll push all this stuff right out. Oop. And do it again. Push all that stuff outside, all the lint, all that crap, see it all fall out. And that's it. And that's all there is to it. And like I said, these here, this kit you can get for $12 at Lowe's. And that's it, guys. Catch you on the flip side. And don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. And I'll catch you later. Bye.